Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the motor in your Dyson SV22 vacuum cleaner. Make sure you have the following tools ready: a Torx screwdriver set, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter for testing. Let's get started. First, begin by unplugging your Dyson SV22 from the wall socket. Safety is our priority, so ensure there's no power running to the device. Next, use your Torx screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back cover of the vacuum. Keep track of these screws as you'll need them later for reassembly. Once you've removed all the screws, carefully lift the back cover off. You will notice the motor assembly inside. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. A clean vacuum operates more efficiently. If you find any buildup, use a soft brush to clean the area. Now, locate the motor's power connector. Gently disconnect it by lifting the clip. If you're unsure about the connections, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs attention. Next, remove the screws securing the motor itself in place. Depending on your model, there may be 2 or 3 screws. Be cautious while removing these screws as they can be small and easy to misplace. If you don't have the tools, keep in mind we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free. With the screws removed, carefully lift the motor out of the housing. Inspect the old motor for any signs of wear or damage. If you're replacing it, make sure your new motor is compatible with the Dyson SV22 model. Place the new motor in the housing, aligning it with the screw holes. Reattach the screws to secure the new motor in place. Make sure it's tightly secured to avoid any future issues. After that, reconnect the power connector, ensuring it clicks into place. This is crucial for the motor to function correctly. Now, it's time to reassemble the back cover. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Take your time here, a tight fit will ensure no dust can enter the motor area. If you're feeling uncertain about any of these steps, remember, no calls, no travel, just simple, professional assistance at your fingertips. Once the back cover is in place, plug your Dyson SV22 back in and power it on. Test the vacuum to ensure that everything is working correctly. If everything sounds good and functions well, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor. If you run into any issues, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know what to expect. In summary, replacing the motor of your Dyson SV22 can be done with a few simple tools and careful attention to detail. If you prefer not to tackle this project yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We're here to assist you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.